Hey y'all, it's Amy. We're just gonna jump right into it today. Today I'm working on a pearl pour on a 24 by 24 inch canvas. Before I pour, I'm going to do a final consistency test. I wanna make sure the odds are in my favor. As these paints sit, they can thicken up a little bit. So I just wanna make sure we are all the same and ready to go so I get beautiful results. Now I'm flipping my paper up and watching the paint run, and there's just a few that I want to make some adjustments on by adding just a couple drops of water. Be really careful when you do this because it just takes a small amount and you can take a paint from the perfect consistency to way too runny just with a couple drops of water. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy garment steamer and steam the back of my canvas. This is especially great when working on those larger canvases. I've gotten into the habit, honestly, of doing it on every canvas. It tightens the weave of the canvas up and I believe makes a perfect pouring surface. I got this little guy off Amazon and I'll be sure and put a link down in my description box. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as a reminder, I've got my recipes, colors used, other pertinent information down in that description box, along with a list of what I believe are painting essentials. Today we are doing a pearl pour, and when I do these, I try to remember to paint the edges of my canvas. This helps the paint have something to grab onto so your design, the pearls don't roll off the sides and get kind of thin. So I do this right beforehand, and usually I do a brush, but today I'm trying out a roller to see if it makes it faster. Can't say that it actually does, but I'm giving it a good try today. And this is me checking my base consistency with the pearl. You want your base very thin. So y'all, I'm just gonna hush up, let y'all watch, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Well, there we have it. I was going for a very specific composition on this one. I wanted to make sure that I had enough negative space in the top left and the bottom right. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time down on the canvas. For those of you who watched the video all the way through, I've got a little treat for you today. That is the reason right there that we artists don't always show ourselves in the video. We are in our flow and we're jamming, and that just cracked me up when I was having to edit that out. Anyway, guys, have a good one.